Now let's move on to the next topic, that how good or bad software testing as a career choice. So guys, one thing is for sure. There is and will always be the existence of web and mobile applications around humans to make their life easy. I mean, by now we have discussed this time and again. Now this business has grown huge in past 2 decades and will always grow towards excellence using the present and upcoming ways of testing an application. Now this is the current data, or might not be the right data, because I have checked the right data that has been recently updated by Global Marketing Index report. Now let's go and Google about this report and come back in a minute. Software testing market GMI. Now here is the very first link. I'm clicking on this and here is the real data. Now I'm not preparing this myself. This is what gmiinsights.com says. Now they have done their study and they are credible enough in the market. They claim that as per their research, the value of software testing industry as of 2022 was greater than $45 billion, and it is subject to be grown by 2032 till $90 billion. Now these numbers here are of 2019 and 2026. Now Naukri.com is a real-time example of the same. Now here in India we have a big giant who is managing the human resource services, which is Naukri.com. Now, in this portal, if I simply put a skill over here, which is software QA, and enter, it is giving me around 1,29,593 job postings. Now, guys, remember, job postings, this is the number for job postings. There is a difference in job posting and job vacancy. There can be multiple job vacancies in one posting. So taking a comfortable multiplier of 2, these are around 3 lakh jobs on just one portal, guys. Now consider the number of jobs in all the portals out there in the country and in the world. So this is the scope of this market.